This is the clapping and counting video for Do Not Fly Nightingale, and nothing really new here, just more quarter notes and half notes. So remember, the quarter note is this one, the filled in note. The half note is the open circle note. And we're in 2/4 time again, which means counting to 2 over and over. So I think you guys are starting to get the idea here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna count to 2 before we start here, okay? So 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. And that's it. So give it a try.